Instagram is crazy1870, and I'm here. I came to Laughlin, Nevada, and you know, like I told you guys in the latest video, I told you guys that I was gonna get away for a little bit, so I came out with the family. I'm shooting this with the GoPro Hero 8. We also got the, what is it called, the mod case with it, which is recording. The audio that you're also recording is from the built-in microphone that comes with the case as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a quick little tour of the house. I got a Airbnb, I think that's what it's called. So I'm gonna give you guys a quick little tour. All right, so we're stepping into the master bedroom of the house. Please excuse the mess. We got all the bags and shit all over the place. So we got the Cali King right here. Cool little backyard. No, I'm sorry, this is the front yard view. My bad. We got a Samsung TV right here. Sink. Got your mirror. I'm gonna turn this off. Walk-in closet, which is pretty cool. A cool ass all glass shower door, which looks pretty dope. Yeah. All right, so we're stepping into another bedroom right here. We got a, I don't know what's the name brand of that TV, but nonetheless, it is what it is. We got 2 beds, cool ass closet doors. We got a sofa bed right here, which is pretty cool. It's gonna be cool for a couple of the kids to come in here and just knock out. All right, so we're stepping into the second restroom. Got another cool ass shower, the all glass see-through doors, which looks pretty dope. We got the water sink area. Stepping into the second bedroom, which is not bedroom. We got the second room, another little room, which is the laundry room, washer and dryer. We got the whole 9 yards, which I love. Real quick. All right, please excuse the mess. So we got another bedroom right here. Cool little restroom. It's pretty dope. Cool little TCL TV, which will get the job done. Say hi. Careful with the baby, careful with the baby. Hi, Papa. Hi. Got the kitchen area. Pretty big ass kitchen. Pretty dope. Dining area. We got a pool. This is the living room area. Pool table going on. Cool little sofa bed right here. So that's my daughter. Got my grandson. Look at those eyes. Bang.
You get some from the grandpa, huh?
And we also got my beautiful, don't start getting shy, babe, please, fiance. All right, so now that I got my drink, I'm gonna go ahead and take you guys outside real quick to introduce you guys to crazy ass kids. Nah, just playing. All right, so we are here at the outside area. Look at that really cool ass view that I have. Great. We're stepping into the pool area. We got the jacuzzi area right here. Got my son Eric, my son-in-law. Jacuzzi. It's about 100 something right now. That's crazy. Got my girls right there in the pool. Man, the pool looks real nice. Got my pops chilling. Look at this pool. It's real nice and blue. Look at that. My daughter being a crybaby. Say hi. So that's pretty much the outside area. Look at this view right there. Beautiful. Looks real nice. So that's pretty much the outside area. That's the pool area, which is pretty cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and kind of get ready and hit the pool and chill with the kids and whatnot. Catch you guys in a bit. All right, so it's about 7 o'clock at night, and I'll show them the whole casino and the lake. That's the lake right down there. That's where we're gonna be tomorrow. We're gonna have some jet skis, and as of right now, I'm over here grilling. We got a couple patties, a couple of them burned, but that's because I couldn't find my spatula to flip them over. We got some hot dogs, but we're doing. Family right quick. Alright, so I had to come out here and enjoy a little bit of this pool. Pretty sick ass pool, huh?
Right?
Yep. Alright, so like I told you guys earlier, I told you I was gonna go to the casino. Got my son-in-law with me, I got my dad, I got my fiance with me. We out here. Came here to Harris Hotel and Casino. Go ahead and try our luck. Who knows? Maybe I'll come out with a couple racks. We're out here at the lake. Oh, fam.